Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. That means park level, handbrake on, wheels chalked, and the negative battery disconnected to avoid shorts. Once done, remove the license plate and any plastic trim clips. Use a trim tool to avoid damage. Next, unbolt visible screws holding the bumper to the body and unplug parking sensors or lights. Label connectors with tape. Make sure fasteners go into a parts tray so you don't lose them during the next steps. Now you move to hidden mounts. Support the bumper from below with a stand or a second person, because once the last bolts come out, it will fall. Remove inner wheel arch liners to access the side bolts, then take out the lower bumper bolts and any clips along the sill. Use penetrating oil on seized fasteners. After that, unbolt the reinforcement bar attachments and carefully disconnect sensor harnesses and the foam absorber. Keep parts organized by side, so reassembly is straightforward. Finally, with everything detached, slide the bumper straight off the vehicle. Pull evenly to free clips and wiring. If it binds, stop and check for missed fasteners. Inspect mounting tabs, nutserts, and wiring for damage or rust. Replace ruined clips or repair harnesses before reinstalling. Refit in reverse order, reconnect sensors and battery, and torque bolts to OEM values. If the bumper won't align, check foam absorber position and mounting bracket orientation. Misaligned bracket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.